I've come across numerous YouTube videos that reveal astonishing earnings from the platform. There's a finance channel with 300,000 to 400,000 daily views that generates between $7,000 and $11,000 per day, totaling $270,000 per month. Even smaller channels with 3,800 subscribers can earn upwards of $218 for every 1,000 views. However, it's important to note that earnings depend on your niche and the willingness of advertisers to pay for your audience's attention. Speaking of niches, let's explore the highest paying ones on YouTube. The Making Money Online niche has an average CPM of $13.52, while the gaming niche averages around $1.40. But the first step on your YouTube journey is all about discovering your passion. What gets you excited? What's something you love doing or want to learn more about? It could be anything, from cooking to gaming, fashion to finance. The key is to choose a topic that genuinely ignites your enthusiasm and will captivate your audience. And remember, we're here to have fun and avoid being boring. Now it's time to plan and script your very first video. Don't worry about overthinking it. Just grab a pen and paper or open up your favorite writing app and let those creative juices flow. Take inspiration from videos you've enjoyed watching and try to weave a compelling story or maintain a smooth flow throughout your content. Oh, and don't forget to tap into the writing skills you've honed at school. Trust me, they'll come in handy. Now, let's discuss the 3 approaches to creating YouTube videos for passive income: time, money, or a hybrid. If you have plenty of time, it makes sense to invest a few bucks in editing platforms like Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro. If you're a college student, Adobe's got your back with their Creative Cloud suite, including the powerful Adobe Premiere Pro, available at a discounted price. But hey, if you're on a tight budget, there are fantastic free video editing alternatives out there too. Time to add your voice to your videos. Find a quiet spot, whether it's a cozy corner in your room or a peaceful outdoor location, to minimize background noise. Now, you don't need to rush out and buy an expensive microphone right away. Your trusty smartphone can do the job just fine. Remember, confidence is key. Speak clearly, passionately, and let your personality shine through. Now comes the magic of editing. I won't sugarcoat it. It can be a bit challenging at first, but trust me, with practice, you'll master the art. You don't need to spend a fortune on expensive courses. There's a treasure trove of free tutorials waiting for you on YouTube. On the other hand, if you have capital but lack time, you can automate certain aspects of video creation by outsourcing to freelancers on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. These freelancers offer services such as voiceover, thumbnail creation, video editing, and SEO optimization at various price points, ranging from as low as $5 to as high as $1,000. However, remember that no one can tell your story better than you can. Therefore, consider a hybrid approach where you master different skills over time while outsourcing certain tasks to specialists who can deliver higher quality than you can currently achieve. No one truly knows how the YouTube algorithm works. We can only speculate based on patterns and insights from experienced creators. One important factor is the click-through rate, which indicates how successful you are at getting people to click on your video.
What's important is click-through rate, getting people to click on your video, and then average view duration, average view percentage, or just relative retention, and having them watch it. A lot of creators think click-through rate is just like the title and thumbnail and did they click it, but a lot of it too is did they enjoy your last video? Because if someone watches a video of yours and they loved it, you can bet the next time you're recommended, their chance of clicking is a lot higher.
Mr. Beast has mentioned that videos tend to do well if they can retain viewers for around 70% of the video. This percentage should be our target before considering the algorithm or other factors. However, before reaching that 70%, we need to focus on getting people to click on the video.
Click, they don't watch, so you want to give them something to click.
So let's not forget about thumbnails. They're like the cover of a book, grabbing attention and enticing viewers to click. Put your creative hat on and design eye-catching thumbnails that make people want to watch your videos. Congratulations, you've reached this far. It's time to hit that publish button and share your masterpiece with the world. Now, let's talk about the power of networking and collaborations. Connecting with other YouTubers is a game changer. Join online communities, hop into Discord servers, or engage with like-minded creators on social media. It's not only a chance to learn from one another, but also a gateway to exciting opportunities. These connections can lead to brand deals, freelance gigs, and awesome collaborations that can turbocharge your channel's growth. Once you meet YouTube's monetization requirements, it's time to reap the rewards. Ad revenue will start flowing in, although it may be modest in the beginning. But as your channel grows and attracts more viewers, your earnings will grow too. Don't stop there. Seek out brand deals and sponsorships that align with your channel's niche, size, and audience. Negotiate like a pro and create additional income streams for yourself. Remember, building a successful channel takes time and dedication. It may not happen overnight, but don't get discouraged. Keep analyzing your video analytics, seek feedback from your viewers and fellow YouTubers, and most importantly, keep learning and improving with every upload. Congratulations! Now you know the various steps and considerations for starting and growing a successful YouTube channel. But yet we just still scratched the surface. In my future videos, I'm going to make more detailed methods to grow and maintain a YouTube channel. So if you want to have an unfair advantage over your competitor, then subscribe.